Hey there, fellow travelers, are you ready to escape the ordinary and spice up your love life? Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of romantic getaways with my personal picks for the top 10 most romantic hotels on the planet. Remember, choosing the right destination is key for a truly unforgettable romantic experience. It's not just about the place but the memories you create there. Whether you dream of cozy nights by the fireplace, candlelit dinners under the stars, or waking up to breathtaking ocean views, the perfect setting can work wonders for your love story. So buckle up, grab your sweetheart, and let's jet set to some of the most stunning, romantic, and downright dreamy hotels in the world. We're talking jaw-dropping views, luxurious amenities, and experiences that will make your heart sing. Get ready to say, ooh la la! Ah, the call of the ocean. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing against the shore, the scent of salty air, and a panoramic view of the turquoise waters that seems to stretch out forever. This, my friends, is the magic of our first romantic escape, the Ocean View Resort. Picture this, you and your sweetheart, hand in hand, strolling along the pristine beach as the sun paints the sky in vibrant hues. Imagine retreating to your luxurious suite, complete with a private balcony overlooking the glistening ocean. Here you can sip champagne under a canopy of stars, the gentle sea breeze whispering sweet nothings in your ear. But the romance doesn't stop there. This resort is a haven for couples seeking intimate moments and unforgettable experiences. Indulge in a couple's massage overlooking the ocean, savor delectable gourmet meals at the resort's acclaimed restaurant, or simply unwind by the infinity pool, where every sunset feels like a private show just for two. For those who find solace in the embrace of nature, our next romantic hideaway takes us high into the majestic mountains. Welcome to a world of tranquility, crisp mountain air, and breathtaking vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. This, my friends, is the allure of our secluded mountain retreat. Imagine cozying up with your loved one by a crackling fireplace, a warm drink in hand as snow gently falls outside your window. The world melts away, leaving only the two of you, enveloped in the peaceful silence of the mountains. During the day, explore hidden trails hand in hand, breathing in the fresh mountain air and reveling in the beauty of nature's untouched splendor. And as the stars twinkle above, retreat to your cozy cabin, where every detail is designed to ignite romance. Think plush fur rugs, rustic wood accents, and perhaps even a private outdoor hot tub, the perfect recipe for a romantic evening under the stars. Who says romance can't thrive in the heart of the city? Our next stop takes us to a chic and stylish boutique hotel nestled amidst the vibrant pulse of city life. Get ready to experience the perfect blend of urban sophistication and intimate charm at our city boutique hotel. Imagine strolling hand in hand with your beloved through charming cobblestone streets, discovering hidden cafes and quirky boutiques. As the sun sets, head to the hotel's rooftop bar, where you can sip handcrafted cocktails with panoramic views of the glittering cityscape as your backdrop. This hotel is all about those special little touches that make a romantic getaway unforgettable. Think luxurious bathrobes, personalized concierge service, and perhaps even a bottle of champagne waiting for you upon arrival. And for a truly memorable evening, indulge in a romantic dinner at the hotel's acclaimed restaurant, where every dish is a culinary masterpiece. Prepare to be transported to a world of rugged beauty, where the silence is broken only by the whisper of the wind across the dunes. Our next romantic escape takes us to a luxurious oasis, nestled amidst the dramatic landscape of the desert. Imagine waking up in a plush king-size bed, sunlight streaming through your window, revealing breathtaking views of the vast desert expanse. Spend your days exploring the unique ecosystem on guided nature walks, embark on a thrilling desert adventure on camelback, or simply bask in the sun by the resort's sparkling pool. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues, the desert truly comes alive. Indulge in a romantic dinner under the stars, the flickering flames of a bonfire casting a warm glow on your faces. And for an unforgettable experience, spend a night in a luxury tent, where you can fall asleep to the sound of silence and wake up to the beauty of the desert sunrise. Our next romantic escape takes us to a place where time seems to slow down, where the gentle lapping of water against the shore lulls you into a state of pure relaxation. Welcome to the tranquility of our lakeside lodge. Imagine waking up to the soft sunlight dancing on the surface of the lake, the air filled with the sweet songs of birdsong. Spend your days exploring the lake's hidden coves by rowboat, casting a line for some peaceful fishing, or simply relaxing on the shore, a good book in hand. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm glow on the water, retreat to your cozy lodge, where a roaring fire awaits. Share a glass of wine with your loved one, as you watch the stars emerge over the tranquil lake, painting a picture of pure romance. Calling all wine enthusiasts and lovers of the good life, our next romantic escape takes us to the heart of wine country, where rolling hills are blanketed in lush vineyards, and the air is filled with the sweet aroma of grapes ripening in the sun. Welcome to the charm and elegance of our vineyard villa. Imagine strolling hand in hand with your sweetheart through the vineyard, learning about the winemaking process from grape to glass. Indulge in private wine tastings, savoring the complex flavors and aromas of locally produced wines. And as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow on the vineyard, retreat to your luxurious villa for a romantic dinner prepared by a private chef. This is a place to unwind, reconnect, and savor the simple pleasures of life, all while surrounded by the beauty of nature and the fruits of the vine. Ready to escape to a world where your worries are washed away by the gentle rhythm of the tide? Our next romantic escape takes us far away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, to a secluded island paradise where time seems to stand still. Imagine stepping onto pristine white sand beaches, the turquoise waters of the ocean stretching out before you like a scene from a postcard. Spend your days snorkeling amongst vibrant coral reefs, exploring hidden coves by kayak, or simply relaxing on the beach, the warm sun kissing your skin. As the sun sets, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors, indulge in a private beach dinner, the sound of the waves providing a romantic soundtrack. This is a place to disconnect from the world and reconnect with your loved one, creating memories that will last a lifetime. For couples who find solace in the embrace of nature, our next romantic escape takes us deep into the heart of the forest, where the air is fresh, the trees whisper secrets in the wind, and the only sounds are the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves. Welcome to the rustic charm of our forest cabin. Imagine waking up to the sunlight filtering through the trees, the smell of pine filling the air. Spend your days exploring hidden trails hand in hand, discovering hidden waterfalls and marveling at the towering trees that have stood for centuries. In the evenings, cozy up by the crackling fire, sharing stories and laughter as the flames dance and cast a warm glow on your faces. This is a place to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with nature and with each other. It's a place to rediscover the simple pleasures of life, the beauty of a starry night sky, the warmth of a shared blanket, and the magic of being completely present in the moment with the one you love. Ever dreamt of living out your own fairy tale romance? Our next stop takes us to a place where history comes alive, and the grandeur of a bygone era sets the stage for an unforgettable romantic escape. Welcome to the enchanting world of our historic castle hotel. Imagine strolling hand in hand through grand halls adorned with centuries-old tapestries, exploring secret passageways and sipping tea in elegant drawing rooms, surrounded by the whispers of history. In the evenings, indulge in a lavish banquet in the castle's grand dining hall, complete with period costumes and traditional music, transporting you back to a time of knights and chivalry. This is more than just a hotel, it's a journey through time, a chance to step into a world of fairy tale romance and create memories that will last a lifetime. Our final romantic escape takes us to a charming coastal cottage where the sound of waves crashing against the shore provides a constant and soothing soundtrack. This is a place to unwind, reconnect, and rediscover the simple pleasures of life, all while surrounded by the beauty of the ocean. Imagine waking up to the soft sunlight streaming through your window, framing breathtaking views of the ocean. Spend your days exploring hidden coves, collecting seashells, or simply relaxing on the sand, a good book in hand. In the evenings, cozy up on the porch swing, a warm blanket wrapped around you, as you watch the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. This is a place where time seems to slow down, where the worries of everyday life melt away, and the only thing that matters is the moment you are sharing with the one you love. So there you have it, 10 unforgettable romantic escapes that are sure to ignite the spark in your relationship. From secluded island getaways to cozy mountain retreats, there's a perfect destination out there for every couple. Remember, the most important thing is to create lasting memories with the one you love. So, start planning your next romantic adventure today and experience the magic of these incredible destinations firsthand. And don't forget to share your own romantic travel experiences in the comments below. For more travel inspiration and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy travels and keep the romance alive.